quinoa in red lentils for a huge blast of protein.
Cooking time 30 minutes. Take your cooking pot and scoop some coconut oil into it. We are going to sear the quinoa a bit before we cook it. Quinoa is basically prepared as you would prepare rice. Here I am searing the quinoa. Smells lovely. A bit like popcorn. You need to add twice the amount of water to the quinoa you wish to cook, and that's it. Add some salt to the quinoa. When the quinoa starts getting a bit brown, I add the water and let it cook for approximately 10 minutes. In the meantime, I chop up a tomato and open up a can of tomato paste. The quinoa is more than half cooked. Now is the time to add the red lentils and a lot of water. Let these cook together. In the meantime, I'll go to my garden and get some fresh green spices, several types of basil. Oh my god. I wash them well, add the tomatoes to the mix, and let those cook a while. The goal is to let the excess water be soaked up by the lentils and the quinoa. This takes another few minutes, and when I'm happy with it, I add the basil to the pot. I stir up the pot well, turn off the heat, and let the food sit a while with the lid on top. A few minutes later, it is ready to be served. It's great to be eaten as it is, or you can naturally pack a big heap of the monster salad next to it and enjoy the best of both worlds, my friends.